Hello, what is the best time to review charts for the long Uptrend swing trading strategy? Let's use an example of stocks EMR as of May 5, 2026. EMR. The best time to review charts for swing trading, in my opinion, is at the end of the day after the market close. So at the end of the day, when the markets close, or early in the morning before the market opens, you can do your chart analysis. And that is if you want to analyze those stocks every day. Otherwise, you can do it during the weekend, after the market close. You can do that during the weekend as well. That's what I'm trying to do this year, and I'm not even good at it at doing it during the weekend, every weekend. But yeah, you can analyze those charts after the market close, and then you select stocks that are well positioned for you to buy. And during the day, around your lunchtime, for instance, that's when the market is open. During the day, around your lunchtime, you can log in. You can analyze those stocks that you wanted to purchase that day. You can analyze them again to see, because they will have been around for open for or trading for about half of the day, half of the business hours, depending on where you are located and when your lunchtime is, and to see if is again positioned the way you saw it, and you wanted to, when you did your chart analysis and you wanted to buy it. And the one that are well positioned like that, you place your orders, and the one that are not, you don't buy them. So for instance, because during the weekend I didn't do my chart analysis, first let's take a look at EMR, for instance. So EMR, again, at this time of my recording, which is 6:32 a.m., is before the market open. So we are doing this chart analysis, and I'm looking at AMR. I know that the market closed yesterday on red, but as I'm looking at it, I like to buy at either one of those support lines. But right now, it's coming from the top of the mountain and has not got there yet. So therefore, I'm not buying it. So this type of analysis, it's okay to do that when the market close. And when the market is open, especially if you have a job or something like that, you can just, around your break time, you can log in and see stocks that you flag to buy and place your orders. Or you can even do that again early in the morning before the markets open. Place those orders before you go to work. That's one option. So those are the times that I found to be best for me to review my charts, because again, I'm not day trading, so I'm taking a laid back approach to the swing trading that I'm doing. So I'm not buying EMR, and that is my analysis. I didn't do my analysis over the weekend of those stocks that I have on my watch list, and I tried to do it last night. And the one that are red are the one that I flagged to keep an eye on during this week. So I took time to analyze them during the night after the market close, and then flag some. And that one, for instance, we can just quickly take a look at it, because I wanted to buy at the support line and I bought it there, but then it pulled back down again. I'm going to go to maximum monthly chart to see if there is another line there. Yes, there is another one there. Is going to it. If it get there, I might buy some more. So I flag it on my watch list, on my list to keep reviewing it. So that means I'm not buying this today. but I'll keep looking at it during the week. And then I can just go back again. And for instance, we have this one as well. So during my lunchtime, for instance, I can quickly review those that I have been read to see, if they are where I want to buy and place my order. Otherwise, I just, move on. So that is the way I found it to work for me. After the market close, review your entire list, whether you wanted to do it on a daily basis because you have a short list, or if you have a long list, you can choose to do that during the weekend and just make red stocks that are position that you want to buy, and throughout the week you review them, and as you buy some, you can highlight those that we purchased already. That way I'm not going to review them again during the week. I will take that red color out of there so that number will decrease as I'm buying them throughout the week, if that makes sense. So that is the way I view it to do my chart analysis. Do it after the market close. It could be at the end of the day if you have the energy for it, or early in the morning if you feel fresher early in the morning. Depend on if you are morning type person or a night type person. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading will be one way to create another stream of income. And by the way, I'm Afiabi Liberman. I'm not a financial advisor. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share my knowledge, my learning here with you, what we are doing toward our goal of reaching financial independence, to see if there is few tips that you found useful that can help you in your financial success journey as well. So use our information at your own discretion. Thank you so much for your time. For more of our swing trading, for more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Swing Trade Step by Step Using Long Option Lines in the description of this video. So thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading. And what is your best time to review your chart for swing trading purposes? Thank you.